What's up, YouTube? This is your boy ICH3 Tech coming to you guys with another video on the iPhone, I guess 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. I'm actually just have these videos up right here because iPhone is going to be launching these phones. I'm just trying to figure out, is it worth it to buy or not to buy? Because you see in the back there's going to be 3 cameras, but at the front end is going to be pretty much the same. I would tell people that have the iPhone Max right now, hold off until next year, because it'd be pointless. I know you don't care about the wide lens and all that other stuff. That's pretty much look like this is going to happen, and be more capable with iOS 13. It's going to be better specs processor, probably more RAM, more gigabytes in storage that you'll be able to have, and they're going to be 3 variants. To me, I am going to be purchasing one so I can match it with my Note 10. And I did hear that they're trying to make one with a pen, would be able to utilize that, Apple Pencil. That'd be pretty tight if they have that version where they can make probably like a 6-8 inch phone to be just like the Max, but that screen will be to that 6-8 ratio. And then, be able to use the pen and be able to utilize it in a different type of ways, like signing documents, signing papers, a lot of things like that. You guys leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I may try to live stream this tomorrow. So it will be launching the video everywhere this time. Now you will be able to see it on YouTube. So I'm going to be live streaming this on YouTube, maybe on their channel thing, but YouTube won't have it, so I'm basically just going to give my opinion on there. I'm going to be live streaming it, just, basically whatever the video come out. You're going to see more on that. I'm going to get more tech stuff for you guys. This is for my tech guys. I know I got a gaming side where I be gaming. I do both. This is basically my hobby, and then I also have my own channel where I rebuilt cars, and I might be making something I'm trying to work in, doing something you've never seen on YouTube before, so you guys stay tuned in for that. I'm going to leave a link below for that channel, but we're going to get into this. I just actually have this screen up, this showing you these free variants. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the 11 Pro, not the Max version. These are all the variants here, like what the back end would look like. I would like it to be color match. The back end, that'd be pretty tight, not with just a black, because it will not look right, to be honest with you. As Apple is going to make this phone, I'm pretty sure next year phone is going to be much better in all screen. But Apple, they're not late in the technology. It's just Samsung and them, they actually have to push the technology to be better in order to sell their products, so because Apple sells so great. But like I said, Apple always going to hold the title on the best phone, pretty much OS. But Android is really kicking the butt. I mean, Samsung, to be honest with you, Samsung is really doing really great. Don't get me wrong, I have the Note 10 Plus, and I will be doing a comparing to this one, the Note 10 Plus, so stay tuned for that. I am almost close to 1,000 subscribers, so you guys, before the stream or after the stream, let's try to reach that margin. Let's get over 1,000. There's a lot more content I'm going to be doing on this channel. The gaming side, you guys on the gaming side, I will be definitely doing a lot of stuff with 2K. I'm actually going to get into Apex. And I'm also going to probably do a little bit of Fortnite, but Apex is more my style. And also, I'll be getting more into baseball also. I'm going to be Twitching probably that. I know I'm on Mixer, so I'll leave a link below for that. So I might just stream on Mixer for the new Apple event. So you guys let me know which one you like to see, YouTube or Mixer, streaming the Apple event, giving my breakdown, what I feel about it and everything else. I'm actually going to check it and make this channel a little better. You see I got little new banners, new things going on here. So you guys that don't know me, my name is ICH3 Tech. If you're first time viewing, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to sub. It is free to hit the sub button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification. You want to see the updated videos and update things I'll be doing. And you guys, if you guys talk to me, I could bring out these videos and bangers for you guys. And also I have, like I said before, device that I want to bring out there and show you guys, like a lot of things they could do that really will help you guys. But on this topic here, definitely the new iPhone. If you don't care about the specs and stuff like that, the newer version, then like I said before, I will hold off until next year. But right now, just gotta see what we're going to see, because it seemed like they're going to try to bring out something a little tight. But so far I've been like a little bit on a hush hush. I really didn't see too many leaks on it, just the back end of it. Not the front end. Maybe if the back end looked like this and the front end is all screen with that display like Apple, like Samsung, that'd be pretty dope. But I probably ain't gonna see that until next year. But it'd be pretty tight to see that. But you guys, leave a comment below what y'all think, and the live stream will be coming, and let me know your thoughts about this iPhone. Is going to be launched tomorrow. So stay tuned, and catch y'all in the next video.